2, and your first step should be to do what? Can you see that?
Rearrange it.
Yeah, you're going to rearrange. All right, so that's what I'm going to try to do here. I rearrange, and I am just moving this over. I forgot to put a square root thing here. And I've moved it over, and what will I then have? I have the square root of x plus 2 is equal to 2 minus the quantity that I moved over. And what do you think I'm going to try to do? Square both sides. And this is where people make a lot of mistakes. Okay, so I have, what kind of a polynomial is this?
Binomial.
It's a binomial. Okay, and we all multiply binomials differently. Some of you use FOIL, some of you use the area model. You multiply the way that you feel comfortable, because it's very easy, Avery, to make a mistake. Put that away, please. Okay, so I'm saying that we're going to square both sides, and I'm telling you to be careful. Okay, so I squared the left side, and I've gotten rid of it. And now, this is what I'm multiplying. And I've done it out for you. So I know that 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times a negative square root of 3x plus 2 is a negative 2 square root of 3x plus 4. Okay? I then am multiplying my, let me see, negative rad 3x plus 4 times 2. So it's again a negative 2 rad 3x plus 4, and then this negative rad 3x plus 4 times a negative is going to make it a what?
Positive.
Positive 3x plus 4 squared. And so what happens when I take a radical and square it? I do what?
You get rid of
I get rid of the radical. Okay, so I end up with 4. This is a negative 4 rad 3x plus 4 plus 3x plus 4. Okay, so does everybody follow how I got there?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything different there? You know how to square, how to multiply binomials. You know that when you square a radical, it's the number without the radical. So far, nothing new. Okay, so now I'm going to try to simplify. And I'm just combining like terms. You know how to do that.
Wait, where's the second 3x plus 4 come from?
The second one,
Up,
this one,
Up, yeah.
when I multiplied my binomials, rad 3x plus 4 times rad 3x plus 4, multiplying it by itself, so I'm squaring it.
Would that just give you 3x plus 4?
Pardon me?
Would that just give you 3x plus 4?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Okay, right there, got it. Okay? So then I'm simplifying, and I am moving my 8 over and my 3x, and what do I have here? 2x minus 6 is equal to minus 4 times 3x plus 4. So what do you think I'm going to try to do now? Actually,
Common factor.
okay, I found a common factor. Okay, and a common factor of 2, 6, and 4 is
2.
2. Okay, so I'm dividing everything by a negative 2. So I have a negative 2x divided by 2, I have a negative 6 divided by a negative 2, and a negative 4 divided by a negative 2.
Could you use the square root of that 4 is 2? Under the rad, there's a 4. Or is it because it's being added you can't do that?
Yeah, it's combined with that 3x
Right.
plus 4.
Never mind.
Can't do that. Okay, so I have now x plus 3 is equal to 2 times 3x plus 4. We're now back to where you were for last night's homework. This is no different than what you had last night. So what do you think I'm going to have to do again?
square.
Square both sides. So I'm going to square both sides, but this time you need to remember I have a monomial. Okay, so I am squaring 2 squared. Emily, I have 2 squared, which is 4, and I know that when I square this, I'm going to have 3x plus 4, and I'm squaring the other side. Okay? Hold on.
Today's announcement, there is no golf practice. Baseball has been canceled. Softball has been canceled. AP testers, you need to have your money into Liz Hep immediately. Calculus AP testing will start tomorrow promptly at 8 a.m. You are to bring 2 number 2 pencils and a black or a blue inked pen. Joe Mead and Jesse Peralt need to see Liz at the end of the day. And no student should be leaving their classroom until the bell has rung. Again, Joe Mead, Jesse Peralt to see Liz Hep.
Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to give you some to try for tonight. Okay, so page 507. Okay, and it is going to be
Just give us like 3 problems.
2,
2.
2 through 27.
2 through 8.
27.
And we'll go with 16 and 17. Okay? We need to really kind of keep going. I'm sorry.